In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a username for Google account and Gmail account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-up page. This is the official page where you create a new Google account, which also gives you access to Gmail and other Google services. Once the sign-up form loads, you will see fields asking for your basic information. First, enter your first name and your last name. Try to type them exactly the way you want them to appear on your account, since this name can show up in emails you send and in other Google products. When you are ready, click Next to continue. On the next screen, fill in your birthday and select your gender. Your birthday helps Google apply the right account settings, and it can also help with account recovery later. After you enter this information, click Next again. Now you will get to the part where you create your Gmail address. Look for the option that says Create Your Own Gmail Address and select it. This is where your username comes in. Your username becomes the part of your email address that comes before @gmail.com, so it is worth taking a moment to choose something you will be comfortable using long-term. In the text box, type the username you want. Keep it simple and easy to remember. Many people use a combination of their name and a few numbers, or a short variation of their name if the common version is taken. Usernames have to be unique, so if the one you enter is already in use, you will need to adjust it by adding numbers or changing the wording slightly. After you type your desired username, click Next. Google will check if it is available. If it is available, you will move forward. If it is not, Google will suggest alternatives, and you can try another option until you find one that works. Once your username is accepted, you will be prompted to create a password. Choose a strong password that you can remember but others cannot easily guess. After you enter and confirm your password, click Next to continue. And that is all there is to it.